press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello everyone and welcome back to our social study class. I hope that you all are fit and fine and also happy and also healthy, okay? I hope that, isn't it? So here in the previous class we already discussed about our environment. So our environment, isn't it? We already discussed now? Yes. So what makes environment? Both living and non-living things make up our environment. So we all are living in the environment now? Yes. So we can see the both living and non-living things in our environment. So here, so in the next chapter we are going to study about the air we breathe. The air we breathe. We all want air now? Yes. We all want air to breathe. Okay? So in the previous class we already told that air and water is very important to live. Air and water is very important to us, isn't it? It's in the earth both air and water is there. So that's why the life is possible on the earth. Okay. So all living things, what they want? Yes, they want air and water. Okay. So here in this chapter the air we breathe we are going to discuss about. So the importance of air. So air is very important to us now. So here the importance of the air, what makes the air dirty? Okay, what makes air dirty, and then keeping the air clean. Okay. So in the previous class we already discussed about the four main pollutions, isn't it? Four main pollution. Which are they? All are recalling now? Yes. Air pollution, water pollution, and then land pollution, and then noise pollution. They are the four main pollution, isn't it? So in this chapter we are going to discuss about the air. Okay. So there in the earth, what is surrounding? Yes. The air, there is air all around us. So air is all around us now? Yes, yes. We know that the earth is surrounded by thick layer. So the earth is surrounded by a thick layer of air is called atmosphere, isn't it? Yes. So all of us need what we need? Yes, air to stay alive, isn't it? And then we breathe in air. We breathe in air now. Air is very important to us. If you keep without air we can't live also. Okay. So and also say here if you want to stay alive means we want air. Okay. We breathe in air. So do plants and animals. Plants and animals also need air. Okay. The air we breathe must be clean and fresh. So if you are taking air means it must be clean and fresh air. Okay. So here trees and plants make the air fresh. Okay. Trees and plants make the air fresh. So here this fresh and clean air keeps us healthy. Doctors suggest us now to take clean air, isn't it? In the early morning if you go to the walk, you can feel it. We are taking the air, fresh air, isn't it? So doctors also suggest to take fresh air. It must be clean and fresh. Okay. If breathe in dirty air, we may fall ill. If we take dirty air now, what happened? Automatically we may fall ill. So here air get polluted due to different activities, isn't it? So in the previous class we already know it. So bursting of crackers, isn't it? So bursting of crackers. So and then bursting of garbage, isn't it? Burning of garbage. So this make air dirty. So here the air pollution acquires, if I am not wrong, I will tell some points about the air. Okay, so air acquires when harmful or excessive, excessive quantities of a substance, you know the substance now, are introduced into the earth atmospheres. Okay, source of air pollution include gases, you know the gases now, yes, gases. Okay, so such as carbon monoxide, and then sulfur dioxide, and then nitrogen, okay, and then nitroxide, methane, and then many other gases here. Okay, so here particulates, okay, so both organic and inorganic, both are organic and then inorganic, and biologically it is affect us. Okay, so biologically molecules, so it may be causes diseases. If you are taking dirty air means automatically we may fall ill. So and also we get so many diseases. If the air is polluted means automatically we get diseases. So here allergies, and also we feel it if you take the dirty air in now, so you automatically feel allergies, you continuously sneeze it, isn't it? So like that, and even death, so also it causes the death of 2 humans. Okay, it may also causes harm to others, and also not only for human activities, human beings, but also to other. Okay, like living organisms such as animals and food crops, it is also very dangerous to other organisms. Okay, like food crops, animals. Okay, so here and may damage the natural. Already in the before class I already told you now, it damages the natural beauty. Okay, and natural beauty, isn't it? So natural beauty we can see it na, very green, and we can feel the fresh air is coming in. Okay, so if air pollution is continuously like this now, so we may get so many diseases, and also it harms to many organisms like plants. Okay, plants needs plants, and then animals. Okay, so it is and also the food crops, it damages the food crops, and so it if we continuously generate the air pollution, we may fall ill. Okay, so air pollution, we can say the air pollution is significant risk factor. So air pollution is very significant significant risk factor. It is very big risk, we are taking it, isn't it? Day by day we are doing pollution, unnecessarily we are doing pollution. Okay, we have to stop it, otherwise it affects us only. Okay, and also other organisms, like already I told you now, food crops and then animals, isn't it? So like for a number of pollution, so here, so we are doing pollutions, isn't it? And then it's related to diseases, and including respiratory infections also it causes, and then heart diseases, so it causes the heart diseases. So this air pollution causes many diseases, isn't it? So here how we are doing the air pollution? Yes, we are bursting the crackers and burning the garbage in the open field. Okay, and then what? Yes, and then smoke release from the factories. Day by day the factories release the smokes, isn't it? So this causes the air pollution, and then coughing or sneezing releases the germs in the air. If you are coughing and sneezing means you have to use the handkerchief, isn't it? If you are sneezing openly means it spread the germs to others, isn't it? If you are coughing and sneezing means you have to take the handkerchief with you. it not spread the germs. If you are not taking the handkerchief with you means it spread the germs in the open field, isn't it? It is also causes the air pollution. Okay, and then smoke from vehicles, already I told you in the before, smoke released by the vehicles and also the factories. Okay, and also cutting down of trees. If see day by day we are seeing the deforestation, isn't it? So here deforestation we are seeing it. So day by day we are going to cut the trees. We are cutting the trees. What happened? If they the trees only, the thing is only they clean the air now. So if the trees is not there, what happened? We will get the air pollution, isn't it? We get the dirty air in. So we are cutting the trees. Day by day we are cutting the trees and dumping the garbage in the open field. So we are dumping the garbage in the open field. Okay, so these all the causes the air pollution. Which are the things causes the air pollution? Yes, burning of crackers, and then what? Yes, bursting of crackers, and then burning of wastage, and then smoke released from the factories, isn't it? So many things are causes to the air pollution. Okay, what the things which make the air clean? You have any idea how we should clean the air? Okay, yes, I know you will get the answer. Yes, what the things which clean the air? Yes, to breathe in fresh air, we should, what we should do? Yes, we should and must, what we do? Yes, we have to grow more trees. We have to grow more and more trees, isn't it? So you heard the slogan? Yes, save trees and save our environment, isn't it? That slogan is very meaningful. Okay, so we have to grow more and trees. Okay, and we should not throw the garbage in the open field. We should not throw garbage in the open field. If you want clean and fresh water means we should not throw the garbage in the open field, and also we should grow more trees. Okay, so then now we should not burn the garbage in the open. Okay, we should not burn the garbage in the open. This is also may causes the air pollution. And then use handkerchief. I already told you now, if you are sneezing and coughing means you have to use handkerchief. It is good habit. It is a good manners also. Okay, so otherwise it spread the germs. Okay, so if you are sneezing and coughing means you have to use handkerchief. Okay, and then so these all the things which make our air clean and fresh. Okay, and also it's make our health to us which and also we will be very healthy if the environment is clean and fresh means we will feel we also feel clean and fresh now, isn't it? If you are for example in your house, if your house is very dirty, what happened? Your mood also very upset now. Like that we have to maintain our environment clean, isn't it? It's our responsibility. We the people of India now, so we should clean our environment. It's our responsibility. So these all the things which make our air, yes, air fresh and clean. So all we know. So here in this chapter we know about the, yes, we know about the importance of the air. Yes, what the things which make air dirty. Okay, so this is about the air we breathe. So air is very important. We have to maintain the fresh and clean air in our environment. We have to grow more and more plants. Okay. So I hope that you all understand about the air we breathe. Thank you so much.